Save smart and wrap up right. Ready to save smarter, not harder? Let's unlock easy wins that boost your financial game instantly. Step 1. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first by scheduling a chunk of every paycheck to go directly into savings. Challenge yourself with no-spend days. Aim for 8 to 10 each month and watch how much you keep in your pocket. Set small monthly goals. Maybe save $200 or eat out just once a week. Those mini wins snowball into big victories. Put your idle cash to work. High-interest savings accounts earn you more while you chill. Got unexpected cash? Split it smart. 50% save, 30% enjoy, and 20% invest for your future. Check in on your budget monthly. No guilt here. Just honest reflection to course correct and improve. Budgets aren't set in stone. Adjust your categories as your life evolves. Flexibility is your friend. Celebrate your wins. Paid off that debt or hit a savings goal. Treat yourself, you earned it. Keep the learning groove going. Watch channels like DollarWise for fresh hacks and inspiration. Perfection is overrated. Done is better than perfect. Celebrate progress over precision every step of the way. Smart budgeting isn't just numbers, it's a mindset shift. With these tips, you're ready to take control. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more savvy money tips, only here on DollarWise.